also use TikTok to get more leads for your own business? And are you also still adding the lead details manually into your Pipedrive? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add your TikTok leads to your Pipedrive. And for that you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can add up to 100 of TikTok leads to your Pipedrive automatically and without any manual intervention for free. And yes, once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have attached the discount coupon code in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good and a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the plan of Pabbly Connect. And further, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code is only valid for yearly and the lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now you have to just log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok and select TikTok lead generation. For the event, we have to select it as new lead and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Once you click on this connect with TikTok lead generation, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, but for that you have to make sure that you have logged in your TikTok account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, Pabbly is going to not ask for these permissions. First, it is going to ask you to log in your account. And once Pabbly is going to ask you for these permissions, you just have to click on this confirm and give Pabbly all the permissions. So it is saying verification code. Alright, so we're just going to click on the send code right over here and we are going to send the verification code so that we can enter it right over here and connect our TikTok with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is saying select two objects that have the same shape. So as you can see, the two objects that have the same shape is this. So I'm just going to select and click on this confirm. It is saying verification code sent. So let me enter the verification code right over here. And after entering this verification code, I'm going to click on this confirm and it is saying authorized success. So with this, we have successfully created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the advertiser ID and the form ID. So I'm just going to select the form ID and the advertiser ID. And as you can see, I'm just going to use this form, which is lead gen form. Alright, so I'm just going to select the form and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, make sure that you've selected the response format as advanced right over here. And now you have to click on this save and send test request. After you click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. Now you have two options. The first option is that you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time, and the second option is like if you don't have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And in order to generate the test lead, you have to capture the trigger response in the TikTok lead generation app. You will have to make use of create test lead action in the next step. For that, over here is a documentation attached, and in this documentation we have attached a video on how to create the test lead. Alright, I have already created my test lead, so let's capture the webhook response for the same right over here. And now you can see that we have successfully captured this response, and over here are the details of our test lead. Now we're just going to create a new contact in Pipedrive using the same details. So let's just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Pipedrive right over here and select Pipedrive. For the event, we have to select it as create a person and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this API token. So to get this API token, just open your Pipedrive account, go to its your profile picture and then personal preferences, and from here you have to go to its this API and you're going to find this API token. So just copy this API token and open your workflow and paste this API token right over here. After you paste this API token, click on this save and your Pipedrive account will be connected connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating this connection, Pabbly is going to ask you for some details like the name, label, and so on. So one by one, we have to enter the details. But over here is a hack that we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've mapped the details which are required or the details which I had of my lead. Now I'm just going to move on further and click on the save and send test request. If you wish, you can definitely ignore the details and enter only the details which you have of your lead and click on the save and send test request. And you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new person in Pipedrive. So let's open our Pipedrive, and from the left hand of the side we have to go to this contact section, and you're going to see a new contact is added. Be it the name, be it the email or the phone number, the details are added right over here. And with this we have successfully created a connection between TikTok and Pipedrive. And yes, you can see that now this automation is going to run in backend. Whenever you going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically a new person in Pipedrive will be created. And you don't have to come back and again to your workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. If you have any doubts, the comment section is open. You can drop them in the comment section below and my team is going to help you out. The workflow URL of this workflow is also attached in the description box below. You can check it out, and the discount coupon code is also in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.